Honest opinion, Kelsey, is a hot dog a sandwich?
No.
This week on Chalk and Talk, we discuss campus construction as Kelsey Craft draws her favorite element, Nick Iregui draws a goalkeeper, and Jason Janusziewicz draws a bulldozer. Let's talk about it.
Kelsey Craft, welcome to Chalk and Talk.
Thank you for having me.
Have you ever been on the show before?
No, I have not.
Neither have I. Let's do this. So you've been overseeing all the new construction on campus.
Correct.
What else? What are the just list of projects for us going on campus?
Currently, the Tyne Corridor project, which is the softball field, the soccer lacrosse field, and the baseball field. We've got the Hoyt Science project going on.
Game's on the line. We're coming down to a PK. You can't take that kick. Who do you want to take that kick? It can be anybody on Westminster's campus.
Honestly, probably Eric Gaber, Professor Gaber, for sure. No doubt in my mind, this dude will be hyped up.
When all the renovation to Hoyt is done, what is each floor going to look like?
So we're gonna start on the bottom floor with all the offices. That is the biological lab on the second floor. The third floor being the analytical lab.
Nick, who's your favorite band? Or artist, music artist?
Billy Joel is the GOAT, obviously.
So overall, when all this construction's done, what effect do you think it's going to have on this campus? What's the end goal?
It grants the opportunity to kind of diversify the use of the field. More camps, more conferences, all of these positives moving the institution forward.
Now that we've talked the talk, let's chalk the chalk.
It's Ezra. That's Ezra, saving the ball.
That's, wow!
Yeah,
That is Ezra.
yeah, it is. Ezra's arms don't move past here, so it's like... Because of the muscle? Yeah, because of the muscle.
Yeah.
So carbon's made of everything, as you can see with the chemical structures here, 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 and here.
Yeah, same here, really. He is shooting his pulse cannon hand thing. Yeah, so we did a pretty similar thing
that's
here,
awesome.
actually. See, we were on the same page here.
That is a great rendition of the D6. I just want you to know that.
Yeah, I've been around a lot of D6s.
This week, we learned about Ezra's muscles, Iron Man, and D6 bulldozers. I chalk that one up as a win. Have a nice day.
Good. What's that?
That's this guy.